Leverage is one of the most powerful and dangerous tools in forex trading. It is also one of the biggest reasons many beginners lose their accounts. Leverage allows you to control a larger amount of money with a smaller amount of money. In simple terms, it lets you trade bigger than the money you actually have. For example, let's say you have $10. With 1:10 leverage, you can control $100 in the market. With 1:50 leverage, you can control $500 in the market. With 1:100 leverage, you can control $1,000. This is why many beginners become excited about leverage. They see the possibility of making big profits with small money. But this is where the danger starts. The higher the leverage, the faster both profit and losses increases. A small movement in the market can suddenly become a very large loss. This is why many beginners blow their account very quickly. They use high leverage with big lot sizes, hoping to make fast money. But when the market moves against them by just a few pips, they lose a large percentage of their accounts, sometimes even the entire account. And this creates emotional problems: fear, greed, revenge trading, over trading. Many beginners start taking random trades because they are trying to recover losses quickly. This is how accounts get destroyed. Leverage gives traders more power, but power without control becomes dangerous. Leverage is not bad by itself. The real problem is using too much leverage without proper risk management. Professional traders understand this very well. They do not focus on making fast money. They focus on protecting their capital, because in trading, survival is more important than quick profit. A trader who protects their accounts can always trade another day. This is why professional traders usually control their lot size and risk carefully, even if they have access to high leverage. As a beginner, your goal should not be getting rich quickly. Your first goal should be learning, surviving, and protecting your money. Before you focus on making money, first learn how to not lose money. Leverage works together with something called margin, which we will discuss in another video. In the next video, I will explain risk management and why it is one of the most important skills in trading. Follow to learn Forex step by step.